Hello everyone. In this video I have given to 20 GK question from the SSC previous year question. Very important for your upcoming competitive exam. Then you are must watching videos. Then without waste your time, let's start. Question 1. In which year did Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar lead the Mahat Satyagraha? Option A 1925, option B 1980, option C 1923, option D 1927, option D 1927. Important points. B.R. Ambedkar's social reform were focused on dismantling the caste system, empowering marginalizing communities and promoting education, equality and human dignity. B.R. Ambedkar's social movement and reforms. Number 1, Bhishkrit Hitkarni Sabha in 1924, Mahat Satyagraha 1927, Kalaram Temple Entry Movement 1930, Independent Labour Party and Scheduled Caste Federation. Number 5, Conversion of Buddhism 1956. Question 2. Streets of Calcutta and Dancing Drums are the two popular track of option A Zakir Hussain, option B Begum Akhtar, option C Ananda Shankar, option D Anushka Shankar. Option C Ananda Shankar. Question 3. What impact did Green Revolution have on India's independence of food? Option A increased independence on food import. Option B no change independence on food imports. Option C decrease independence on food imports. Option D stopped food imports completely. Option C. Answer C, decrease dependence on food import. Important points. M.S. Swaminathan is widely recognized as the father of Green Revolution in India. He is credited with introducing and developing high-yielding varieties of wheat and rice, which significantly increased food production in India during the 1960s and 1970s. Question 4. The Constituent Assembly met for the first time on option A 12 December 1946, option B 9 December 1946, option C 7 December 1946, option D 15 December 1946, option B 19 December 1946. Important point. The Assembly act as temporary legislature until the first general elections in 1951-52. Adopting the objective resolution introduced by Nehru on December 13, 1946, which laid down guiding principle of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. First meeting December 9, 1946. Draft Constitution published February 1948, first draft. October 1948, second draft after public feedback. Constitution adopted November 26, 1949. Constitution enforced January 26, 1950, making India's transitions to a sovereign democratic republic. Question 5. During a Carnatic music concert, whose composition emphasizes a structure, melody and rhythm is most often presented? Option A Tilana, option B Raga Alpana, option C Varnam, option D Kriti. Option D, Kriti. Kriti composition emphasizes structures, melody, and rhythm is most often presented. Question 6. Who among the following is known as the father of Muslim Renaissance in Bengal? Option A, Nawab Salimullah Khan. Option B, Sir Syed Ahmed Khan. Option C, Nawab Abdul Latif Khan. Option D, Amir Ali. Answer option C, Nawab Abdul Latif Khan. Question 7. Question 7. Right of a prisoner to speedy trial will be categorized in which of the following fundamental rights? Option A, right against exploitation. Option B, right of life. Option C, right to constitutional remedies. Option D, right to equality. Option B, right of life. Important points. Right against exploitation, Article 23 to 24. Right to life, Article 21. Article 32, right to constitutional remedies. And right to equality, Article 40 to 80. Which law of economics states bad money drives out good money? Option A, Gas law. Option B, Baxter's law. Option C, Ohm law. Option D, Graham laws. Option D, Graham laws. Important points. Rashman's law states that bad money drives out good, meaning that when two forms of money with the same face value circulate, the less valuable money tend to be spent while the more valuable money is hoarded. Question 9. What was the primary aim of Aligarh movement? Option A, to promote the revival of traditional Islamic education. Option B, to establish a theocratic Islamic state in India. Option C, to promote the Western scientific education among Muslims of India. Option D, to encourage Hindu-Muslim unity against British. Option C, to promote the Western scientific education among Muslims of India. Important points about Aligarh movement. Founder Sir Syed Ahmed Khan, 1817 to 1899. Time period, later 19th century, post 1957, after the Sepoy Mutiny. Main objectives: promote Western style modern education among Muslims, social reforms, women's education, parda, polygamy, widow remarriage, etc. Question 10. Which Amendment Act deal with local governance institutions in India? Option A, 63rd and 64th Amendment Act. Option B, 86th and 87th Amendment Act. Option C, 73rd and 74th Amendment Act. Option D, 42 and 43 Amendment Act. Answer option C, 73rd and 74th Amendment Act. Important points. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992 gave constitutional status of Panchayati Raj institutions, establishing a framework for decentralized democratic local governance in India. The 74th Amendment Act 1992 granted constitutional status to municipalities, strengthening urban local governance and democratic decentralization in India. Question 11. Which festival from West Bengal has found a place in the UNESCO list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity? Humanity. Option A Poela Boishak, option B Durga Puja, option C Jamai Sashti, option D Poush Sankranti, option B Durga Puja. Other festival of West Bengal are Poila Boishak, Durga Puja, Kali Puja, Dol Purnima, Dol Jatra, Handeli Fair. Question 12. Who became the first Indian to win a gold medal in the World Athletic Championship? The first Indian to win a gold medal in the World Athletic Championship. Option A Milkha Singh, option B Neeraj Chopra, option C PT Usha, option D Anju Bobby George, option B Neeraj Chopra. Important points about Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj Chopra is an Indian javelin thrower and Olympic champion, famed for winning gold at Tokyo 2020, Indian first in athletics, and silver at Paris 2024. He is also the 23rd world champion, 2023 world champion, a 2 times Asian Games gold medalist, and the first Indian to breach the 90-meter mark with a 90.23-meter throw in 2025. Question 13. In which state is the Nandi Award for the best choreographer presented every year? Option A Andhra Pradesh, option B Madhya Pradesh, option C Maharashtra, option D Karnataka. Answer option A Andhra Pradesh. Question 14. Who among the following makes the rules for the more convenient transaction of the business of the state government? Option A Governor of the state, option B Advocate General of the state, option C Chief Minister of the state, option D Chief Secretary of the state. Option A Governor of the state. Question 15. The last Sunga ruler was killed by his ministry in which century? Option A 2nd century BC, option B 1st century BC, option C 1st century AD, option D 3rd century BC. Option B 1st century BC. Important point about Sunga dynasty. Sunga dynasty, founded by Pushumitra Shung. Dynasty's capital was Vidisha, presently in Madhya Pradesh. Devabhuti was the last ruler of Shunga dynasty and was killed by his commander Vasudev. Commander Vasudev. Question 16. Who is the cabinet minister of the Union Ministry of Education as of September 2024? Option A SD Kumaraswamy, option B Piyush Goyal, option C Dharmendra Pradhan, option D Nitin Jairam Gadkari. Answer option C Dharmendra Pradhan. Question 17. Which of the following may lead to movement along the demand curve of a commodity? Option A change in its price, option B change in price of the other commodities, option C change in income of the consumer, option D change in taste and preference of consumers. Option A change in its price. Important points. A demand curve is a graph showing the relationship between the price of a good or service and the quantity consumers are willing to buy, typically sloping downward due to the law of demand. Question 18. Which of the following classical dance is known to be ekhareya, where one dancer takes on many roles in a single performance? Option A Kuchipudi, option B Mohini Niyattam, option C Kathakali, option D Bharatanatyam. Option D Bharatanatyam. Important points about Bharatanatyam. It is the oldest classical dance of India that is performed solo by a single person known as Ekhareya. Earlier name Sadirattam, Devarattam, Parathiattam. Bharatanatyam was earlier known as Dashyattam, as it was traditionally performed by Devdasis, female dancer, in temple. It is found in Natya Shastra and is associated with Kalashetra style. Question 19. Which folk music of Jammu Kashmir is sung in wedding ceremony? Option A Alha, option B Panihari, option C Wanaun, option D Baul. Option C Wanaun. Question 20. Priti Mandana is associated with which of the following sports? Option A badminton, option B hockey, option C wrestling, option D cricket. Option D cricket. So answer the question in comment section. The main aim of the ring fencing policy implemented by the British in 18th century India was option A to extend their rule through territorial conquest, option B to create buffer state to defend British territories, option C to regulate inland trade routes for profit, option D to enforce direct governance over local rule. So thank you so much for watching this video. Quickly like, comment and share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel, enter key, and do not forget click bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.